It is not as difficult as may seem to join trademark Forteza sensors into an RS-485 line. RS-485 standard uses one twisted pair of wires to transmit and receive the data. Sometimes the twisted pair is accompanied with a shielding braid or a common wire. Trademark Forteza sensors have got a pair of interface wires A and B. These wires are to be sequentially connected to the line. You can see the example of such line on your screen. The limitations of this interface include the limited length of the line, as well as the need to use converters to connect RS-485 and the personal computer. The most popular converter for connecting our sensors to the software FORTEZA-PERIMETER is USB into RS-485 and Ethernet into RS-485. USB converters are connected directly to the computer, and Ethernet converters can be connected to the local network. The only correct way to build an RS-485 line is to connect the sensors using the so-called bus topology, which is a serial connection of devices one after another. Tree and star topologies are not suitable for building an RS-485 line. The bus topology is a common cable called a bus or trunk, to which all sensors are connected. At the ends of the cable there are resistors, with a resistance of 120 ohms to prevent signal reflection. Usually, the connection to the main line is made using a junction box, which should be located near each sensor. As we have already told, the main disadvantage of the interface RS-485 is the limitation in length up to 1,200 meters, but we can bypass it using the repeaters. Some people call it signal amplifiers, the others call it interface repeaters. We will call it the repeater. The repeaters are designed to amplify a weak RS-485 signal and are used in cases where the length of the communication line between the devices exceeds 1 km 200 meters to eliminate attenuation and distortion of the transmitted signal. After the line is installed and all the sensors are connected, it remains only to connect the RS-485 line to the converter and connect it to a personal computer. The line is connected and determined. We will tell you how to work with FORTEZA-PERIMETER program and about the initial configuration of the sensors in the following video.